Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am your perfect friend. In this video I told you how to deal with a sexless marriage as man or woman. If you're struggling with a sexless marriage, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be discussing how to deal with a sexless marriage and offer guidance to help you overcome this obstacle. So, let's get started. Before we delve into solutions, it's essential to understand the root causes of a sexless marriage. Various factors can contribute to this situation, such as stress, communication issues, physical health problems, or emotional disconnection. Identifying the underlying reasons will help you tackle the problem effectively. The first step towards resolving a sexless marriage is open and honest communication with your partner. Create a safe space where you can openly discuss your feelings, desires, and concerns. Remember, it's crucial to approach the conversation with empathy and without judgment. If you find it challenging to address the issue on your own, seeking professional help can be beneficial. A qualified therapist or counselor specializing in relationships can guide you through the process, providing valuable insights and tools to rebuild intimacy. Rediscovering intimacy can be a gradual process. Focus on rebuilding emotional connection through shared activities, deep conversations, and quality time together. Physical intimacy can then follow naturally as you strengthen your bond. To reignite the passion in your relationship, consider exploring new experiences and experimenting together. Try new things in the bedroom, surprise each other with gestures of affection, or embark on exciting adventures that bring you closer. Dealing with a sexless marriage requires patience and understanding. Remember, it's a journey that both partners need to embark on together. Be supportive, compassionate, and open to compromise as you work towards finding a solution that satisfies both your needs. Thank you for watching our video on how to deal with a sexless marriage. We hope you found these strategies helpful in your journey towards reigniting the flame and rebuilding intimacy with your partner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable relationship advice. Until next time, take care and stay connected.